the Dudios Tic True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Dudios Tic True Wireless Earbuds. They come in at just $36. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, micro USB cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips. The Dudios Tic features 4.5 hours of listening time, 18 hours with the case. It takes 2 hours to fully charge the case and the earbuds. Uses Bluetooth 5.0 and has CVC for noise reduction. Uses touch controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX4 sweat and water resistant. The case has a small compact design and it comes with a 350 mAh battery. It has a matte finish and it's plastic all around. The Dudios branding is on the top of the lid. On the front of the case, you'll find the charge status LEDs. And on the back is a micro USB charge port. The lid is magnetic and it's easy to open and close. The earbuds are also secured into place by magnets, and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. The earbuds have a stem design similar to the Apple AirPods. It's a matte finish all around, and you have the ear indicator markings on the bottom of the stem. On the outer face, it has an 8mm surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have microphones, touch control, LED, interchangeable ear tips, and charging contacts. And here they are side by side. Playback and call controls is just a matter of tapping a few times or holding to activate. And here it is next to the Apple AirPods, just to get a size perspective. The case comes in at 2.8 by 1.3 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 33 grams, and the earbuds come in at approximately 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Dudios Tic True Wireless Earbuds microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked pretty well during calls. It came in loud and clear, and other parties had no issues hearing me. You can use the earbuds independently, left or right side, and the pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Dudios Tic True Wireless Earbuds. It was comfortable and easy to put on. Fitment was good and it created a nice tight seal. I didn't really feel pressure in my ear canals, and the touch controls are a definite plus for not adding pressure. It had no issues staying into place while running. Build and quality is solid. It's a simple plastic case design and the earbuds feel durable. They both are easy to grip. Battery life is fair, coming in at 4.5 hours and 18 with the case. I had no issues navigating with the touch controls and they were very responsive. It does have micro USB and I would have preferred USB-C. Now let's talk about sound. I was definitely surprised by the sounds it put out. Starting off with the bass, it was pronounced, tight, and punchy. Mids and highs also came in clean and clear, and vocals really stood out. It doesn't get drowned out by the bass. There's definitely some good depth and separation in my opinion, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Volume levels also get high as well. Overall, I feel these have some tremendous value for its price. They are surprisingly good, and it's perfect for those that are seeking a budget pair in my opinion. So that is my review of the Dudios Tic True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.